Assalamu alaikum. So in this video, we'll solve some exercises of the worksheet MATH1, section 1.4 about polynomials. Polynomials. So the question one about the definition of a polynomial. So which one of this algebraic expression is a polynomial? I recall a polynomial. The condition is that the exponent of the variables must be a non-negative integer. Non-negative integer or a whole number. These are the exponents of the variables. So let's see here. So here this variable exponent 3, this is okay, but here we have root x. So we know that root means exponent half. So this is not a polynomial since the exponent of the variable in this term is not a whole number. Here also we have this term 2 over x, which we can write as 2x exponent -1. So this is also, this expression also doesn't represent a polynomial. Here the same, the exponent is a rational number, it's not a whole number, so this is not a polynomial. So here to identify a polynomial, we look only to the exponent of the variable. Here x4, okay, x cube, okay, x, okay. The coefficient can be any real number. So this coefficient is √2. It doesn't matter. Pi doesn't matter. The only thing is to see whether the exponent of the variable is positive, okay, or 0, so it doesn't appear, and we obtain a constant polynomial. Okay. Question 2, what is the sum of the coefficients of this polynomial? So here we have a special product. Let's calculate this special product. So the formula says the first term square, 3x, plus 2 times the first term times the second, plus the second term square. We simplify. Here we distribute the exponent with respect to the multiplication. We obtain 9x squared. Here we make the product of the coefficients. So 2 times 3, 6 times 2, 12x plus 4. So here, be careful. We cannot distribute the exponent with respect to the sum. This is false. We can't write 9x squared plus 4. Of course, this is totally false. Now, so after simplifying, we obtain this polynomial, and we need the sum of the coefficient. So we need, so the first leading coefficient is 9 plus 12 plus 4, which gives 25, and this is the correct answer. Question 3, subtract this polynomial from this polynomial. So subtract means we have minus, difference of 2 expressions. Here, subtract from اطرح من. So this is the original expression. And we'll subtract this polynomial from it. Now we remove parentheses. Here we have nothing in front of the parentheses, so we remove it without any modification. Here, be careful, we have minus. So minus, we change all signs here. So it's here minus 5y squared plus 3y plus 5. So do not forget to put your parentheses when you subtract to avoid mistakes. Then we combine like terms. Y squared, we have 8 minus 5, 3. Y 7 plus 3, 10y. And constants, 1 plus 5 plus 6. And the correct answer is B. Question 4. We simplify also this expression. So what do we have? We have here a multiplication and we have here exponent. So we start with the exponent, the order of operation. So we first calculate the square. So we keep this for the moment. And calculating the square, keep the parentheses again. Okay, just calculate the square. So x minus 1 squared, the first square, minus 2x times 1 minus 2x plus 1. And then you distribute x cubed minus 2x squared plus x squared minus 2x and plus 1, and you simplify x cubed minus 2x squared plus x squared minus x squared, x minus 2x minus x, and the constant plus 1. Where is the correct answer? It's answer C. Same question, perform the operation and simplify. The first spatial product, so 2a squared minus 2 times 2a times b plus b squared. So we obtain 4a squared. We distribute exponent with respect to multiplication. Minus 2 times 2, 4ab plus b squared. The second, the same. Here we have plus. So the first square plus 2 times the first and the second term plus the second term squared, which give me a squared plus 2 times 2, 4ab plus, here we distribute 4b squared. For question C, usually in exams, sometimes the questions are related. So here we take just some second to check. So we see that we have already calculated this term in A. So this is question A. إذا بما أني محسوبة في سؤال A ما عليها درجات، إذا تعيد تحسبها مرة ثانية. فيكفي هنا إنك تكتب على طول the result of A between parentheses. دايما نحط parentheses حتى نكون في safe side حتى ما نخطئ. So في ال A لقينا 4a squared minus 4ab plus b squared. minus العلامة minus. نشوف الثانية هل حسبناها already أو لا. a plus 2b squared هذه حسبناها في السؤال B. إذن نحط الأقواس ونحط النتيجة. Ignore ab plus b squared. Then you remove parentheses. We keep this and we have minus, so we change all signs here. And we simplify 4 minus 1, 3a squared, minus 4 minus 4 minus 8, here I forgot 4. This is the result. So plus 1 minus 4 minus 3 b squared. So here, be careful when you rewrite. Do not do the same mistake as me. So keep focus to avoid mistakes. Question D, the same idea. So first term, we have to multiply. This is a special product of conjugates. So we have a formula. We keep the parenthesis. We get 3x whole squared minus 4 squared minus, and then we calculate this term, keeping the parenthesis. Okay, now we calculate the square, but we keep the parenthesis because we have a minus sign here. Okay, إذا تشيل الأقواس نتيجتك راح تكون خطأ. فهذه تعطيك الأولى سكويرد ماينس 2 في الأولى في الثانية بلس في الثانية تربيع. We simplify 9x squared minus 16 minus 9x squared minus 2 في 3 6 في 4 24 plus 16. Once it's simplified, we can now remove the parentheses without any risk. We are good. Minus تصير هذه plus وتصير هذه minus because we have minus أمام الأقواس. Okay, and finally we simplify, and the final result هذه تروح 24x هذه وهذه minus 32.